Hi guys, Michelle Wolf. We're here to talk about Infinity Drip Edge with Snap Lock technology, a new patent-pending product from Quality Edge. By the weekend, you'll receive a sample Infinity Drip Edge pack. It includes aluminum drip edge samples, steel drip edge samples. Both are marked with the logo, the thickness, and the style. You'll also receive the first edition Infinity Drip Edge brochure telling you how it works and why it's a premium product. Let's talk about how to present Infinity Drip Edge. It's crucial that you practice snapping the pieces together so that you can show that it is an easy installation. First, hold one piece in your hand with the nose facing out. Your second piece hooks to the bottom and snaps onto the nose, creating a seamless overlap. The real secret is in the Snap Lock technology. The patent-pending dual hook design eliminates unsightly gaps. There's a 2X wave ledge, or the two ribs that run along the top, that direct water away from the home and adds extra strength to reduce buckling. The dimension of the roof deck exceeds International Building Code and gives us over a ½ inch of additional material to meet local codes in other markets. That allows us to have a universal profile. For your contractor customer, it's easy to install. There will be no callbacks. It looks great on the overlap. For your distributor customer, they can offer one profile that will work on every house. And for Quality Edge, we have a premium, innovative design that we believe is the future of drip edge.